Hi folks, this is Gokul Leah from Learn With Me. So today we are going to take a look at this. Okay, so let's get started.
So guys, as you can see over here, this is my Adobe After Effects interface. Okay, as we have already seen what we are going to create today, so I will just click on new composition. As you can see over here, this is my setting as always. So I will just name it as man old. Okay, whatever the name is, name doesn't matter. Okay, so I will just start it. So I will just drag this footage over here. So firstly we have to remove the green. So what I will do, I will just subtract this area from the scene. Okay, because it can cause problems. Okay, so I have just subtracted that area. I will just go over here and search for Keylight. Okay, Keylight is a I think the best plugin till now to remove, or you can use other Premiere Studio or other things. I will just take this picker and I will just go over something like that. I will just remove that. Okay, so as you can see over here, there are some patches over here. How to remove that? I will just go to the status and I will just go to the here and I will just decrease the saturation. Okay, as you can see over here, there are black, white and the gray color. Okay, white color is 100% opaque and the black is 100% transparent. Okay, and the gray color is something like that between them. Okay, not more than them, not less than them, between them. Okay, I will just decrease it so that I can just remove it fully, and I will just set it to something like 24. Okay, that looks good to me, and after that I will just check it results. Okay, that looks good, and after that what I will do, I will just search over here because the edges are quite hard. Okay, so I will search for refine hard matte. Okay, we will be eating the harsh edges. Okay, I will just make everything zero over here. So look at carefully. I will just deselect everything. Okay, I will just set it to 2, something like that, and I will just set the contrast to 10, and I will just select the decontaminate edge colors. Okay, and after that what we will do, now our shot looks pretty good. Okay, as you can see over here. So now what we will do, as you can see over here, I will just drag the background. Okay, that's the background. We will just name it as PG. Okay, and I will just go over transform and select it to fit to comp. Okay, and after that what I will do, as you can see over here, our desert doesn't match to our man. Okay, our man is not matching like that because this is I think this is a shot on an overcast day, and there were no lightnings. That's why he is looking too worst. Don't worry, we will make it look smart. Okay, I will just search for levels over here so that I can bring some contrast back and the colors. Okay, you can use any other effects to RGB and all like that, because there are many methods of creating one effect. Okay, so I will just select my this man. I'll just name it as man, and I will just press Control Shift C by selecting the layer, and I will just name it as old man. Okay, I will just press enter, and make sure move all attributes are selected, and in this selection I will just apply levels. Okay, and what I will do, I will just play with the here levels, and I will just try to increase the contrast a little bit. Okay, and I will go to the red channel, and I will, because you already know that red is used for uh, like hot or something like that, and blue is used for something cold or like that. You must understand that. Okay, and I will just select the blue channel because I don't want blue over here. As you can see over here, and there is if I go to information panel, as you can see over here, just a second, and as you can see over here, there is a lot of blue in space, as you can see over here, and that's the information panel over here. Okay, I will just remove a lot of blue in by space so that I can just, yeah, that looks good. And I will just go to the RGB, and I will just increase it a little bit so that my shot would match more good. Okay, I'll just go to like that. Okay, that's it. So as you can see over here, this is our before and this is our after. Okay, quite better. And after that what I will do, I will just make the copy of the background. Okay, so whenever like I am standing in a desert, so there will be a lightning sun rays which will be falling on me. So I will just creating some lightning. Okay, I will just drag it little bit up, and I will search for set matte. Okay, you can see set matte. I will just drag it to the it, and I will just, what I will do, I will just select in old man layer. Okay, and I will just search for Gaussian blur over here, and I will just apply it to the over here. Okay, and I will just set it to pretty high, like something 70 over like that. Okay, and as you can, I will just solo this layer, and as you can see this is created. Okay, so I'm just gonna steal I'm just going to steal some colors from here, that's why I just copied it. Okay, so I'm just going to search for again set matte. Okay, we can just duplicate it, no need to search. I will just drag it below it. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will just select the old which is selected, and I will just invert the matte. Okay, and after inverting the matte, I will just invert this matte too, and after that I'm just gonna to remove this matte. Okay, and you can see over here, firstly the, if I just did it, you can see over the lightning rays are outside, we need them inside into the man. Okay, I will just select it and I will just remove it. Okay, and what I will do, I will just increase them a little bit so that it's pretty high. I think so 70 is good, 70 looks good. Okay, and if I just remove this, so as you can see over here, what is the difference? Many of you are thinking what is the difference, so I will just show you the difference. Okay, just a second. So guys, if I just off this, okay, I will just off this layer, the first layer. So please notice on the shoulders, and for the same I will just notice on the shoulders and the head. Okay, I will just zoom on the shoulders. Okay, so as you can see over here, I will just zoom a little bit and I will just off this layer. Okay, I will just press V and off this. Did you see something? This is nothing. Okay, there is nothing, no lightning, it looks like fake. I will just on this layer. As you can see over, a little bit of lightning over his head, over his head, over his cheeks over here, as you can see over. Okay, so that's for adding lightning. Okay, as you can see over here, this is our final composite. So we have added, and we have all we have done. You can now I think that's enough. Okay, so as you can see over, we have just in few minutes we have just removed the green screen perfectly, and after that we have just color graded and matched it with the background. Okay, so by this you can create a lot of videos. If you just did something new, please comment down below. Okay,
So guys, if you love the video, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.